Good day, Ma'am. This presentation will discuss about the discovery of metallurgy or the metallurgy in the ancient times. For thousands of years, man learned to collect, extract, and blend the ores or stone, in which it leads to the formation and the discovery of native metals that results to the existence of tools, ornaments, and weapons. This process called metallurgy. What is metallurgy? Metallurgy came from the Greek word metallurgus, which means working in metals, in which it refers to the process involved in the extraction of metals from their respective ores in their pure shape. In this connection, it is also the technique in which metals undergone heating process in order to get the certain desired shape. What do we call to a person who works in metals? The word is metallurgist, or in the modern times, they called as metallurgical engineer. Let us proceed to the various techniques. By making tools, ornament, and weapons, it will undergo various types of processes or techniques. These processes are smelting, tempering, casting, alloying, hammering, and quenching. The first one we have smelting. It is a process of extracting metals from the ore by heating the ore beyond its melting point. Second, tempering. It is a process in which a hardened metal is heated to the specific temperature and cooled slowly down in order to make the metal tough. The third one we have casting. It is a technique in which molten metals is poured into the molder in order to get the specific form. Fourth, alloying is a process in which two metals are combined and melted together to form specific material. The fifth one we have hammering. This process needs to exert extreme force in order to get the desired shape and thin sheets. Last one we have quenching. It refers to the process of extinguishing, removing, or diminishing a physical property such as heat or light. Hence, these processes perform complex techniques and needs an ample resource such as ores, coals, fuels, and others. So we are done from the processes or techniques. Let us proceed to the discovery of metals, such as native metals, copper, bronze, and iron. Approximately 5,000 years BC, ancient man began to discover and use native metals such as copper, gold, silver, and meteoric iron. Due to the man's curiosity, around 4000 BC, he discovered copper as the first metal in which it came from the blue and green stones. By about 3000 BC, man found out that other ores can be smelted and yielded lead, silver, antimony, and tin, and some of these could be smelted with copper, in which it led to the discovery of bronze. As a connection, the cast alloy of copper and tin resulted to discovery of bronze, a material that is better than copper and functional to human beings in the entire era of early civilization known as Bronze Age. In about 2000 BC, the next great development in metallurgy involves with a metal that is most abundant in the Earth's surface but in the contrast, it is more complex to work on compared to copper or tin and that metal called iron. In order to produce iron, it will first take a various complex steps such smelting, reheating, tempering, quenching, culling, and hammering. These methods of steel making are well mastered by tribes of Kalibes in Armenian highlands, hence this entire era known as Iron Age due to the fact that ancient human beings generally make us of iron. In summary, metallurgy gave a tremendous impact towards the wealth, power, and culture of the ancient human beings as well as in the present times. That's all for this lesson, ma'am. Thank you.